Ocean View,
Travis Portier, Sean Graham, Doomzday, E-Fam,
Gold Mine,
yeah.
so much opportunity, lost souls.
My man Yaba,
Gotta get paid.
Joe City,
At the land of gold, when my story was first told, when I realized it was cold in a place of lost souls. Ocean View, an Alfred Hitchcock film with thugs toss gems that turn rock, smoking your third cousin stem. From Hillside to First Bay down to 29th, they didn't get advice that if you kill people you get life. Sent to save riots, mad 16 Bay riots. Sneak up quiet, put the gun to your chest and just fire it. Some kids admire it. Had to see King with steam. I got $1 million scheme to get rich off Supreme Baptist. And fatting at the breakers taking pictures. I'm getting spot itches up in the haven with the mistress. Left my hoe at Warm Sands blowing fake goodbye kisses. Stop by Stop for blunts and orange citrus.
Don't be mad cause I don't come around the way like I used to. I don't got time these days. I'm too busy making power moves. And don't try to say I don't remember you. Don't be mad cause I don't come around the way like I used to. I don't got time these days. I'm too busy making power moves. And don't try to say I don't remember you.
I dream one day I leave this place with a dime face. Cause by 2000 they redesigned the whole race. My brother got a case, heard my peeps got chased. Off a 2-story building they jumped with Tim's lace. Third I was the spot by Nubian stylists. Beats was violence, some even call it suspect palace. But now they tore down the building, I hurt and feeling. Cause 200 Qs used to rock and shake ceilings. It's ill dealings. Filled with Ocean View, Virginia's another drug transaction. Mom Dukes, leaves her children. I got the L choker, Remy Martin bless the poker. Ocean View has the real soldiers, guns and roses.
Don't be mad cause I don't come around the way like I used to. I don't got time these days. I'm too busy making power moves. And don't try to say I don't remember you. Don't be mad cause I don't come around the way like I used to. I don't got time these days. I'm too busy making power moves. And don't try to say I don't remember